Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to know if your phone is hacked. So most of people think that iPhones and Androids are totally safe, but they are not, so we will check if your iPhone is hacked or not. So we will use just settings application to it. First of all, you will need to open the settings application, and step 1 is you need to scroll down just a little until you will find general settings. Click on them. Here, scroll down the general settings until you will find VPN and device management and click on it as well. And if you will see here some unknown profiles that you didn't download, it basically means that your phone is hacked, so you will need to delete them immediately. Otherwise, your data will be sent somewhere and basically you will have some problems. So delete all the unknown profiles here. As you can see, I don't have any of them. I didn't download any of them, so I don't have them. And basically this is the step 1. Now go back. And the step 2 is you need to scroll to the top of the settings and go and click on the mobile service. Here, scroll down as well until you will find the list of applications that are using your mobile data. You will need to click on show all and scroll through all of these applications, and if you will see the application that you don't use normally but which is using a lot of mobile data, it basically means that this application is running in the background and using your data, and it may be stealing your data to send it somewhere else. So you will need to just simply turn it off first of all and then delete from your device. Step 3 is you need to go back to the settings once again and scroll down until you will see privacy and security right here. So click on it. Now here you will need to scroll down once again until you will find app privacy report with a little shield icon. So click on it, and by default it is turned off, but you will be asked if you want is to turn it on. You will need to basically turn it on and wait like 5 to 10 minutes until it will refresh its data. Once you go back to the app privacy report, you will have the list of applications that are using the network, and you can click on each application and check what IP addresses and domains it is using. So basically that is how you can know with what IP addresses this application is operating, and if you do not recognize some of the IP addresses, it might be the reason why this application is the spyware. So basically delete this application. And the last step is you need to go back once again to the privacy and security, scroll to the up until you will find permissions connected with the camera. So go to the camera and check for some unknown applications that can use your camera in the background. So basically if you don't recognize some of the applications here, turn them off and delete. Now as well, you will need to go back and choose here microphone, and as well if you don't recognize some of the applications here, you will need to delete them completely from your phone. And basically that is it. That is how you can know if your phone is hacked or not. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.